Protests have been held across the capital by leaseholders who say they've been left with unaffordable bills for cladding and building safety defects. Some of those taking part in a national day of action say they're facing six-figure sums to remove potentially dangerous cladding and fund so-called waking watches. Guy Lynn reports from one of the protests.
Barratt must pay!
We now can't move. We've got no idea what kind of bills are coming our way. We've just been told the building's unsafe.
Most here own their home and have been told post-Grenfell that it's not safe anymore. They can't get a mortgage to sell till fire safety measures are sorted, and the bill to do that could run into thousands.
That's a lot of money for people who have already been deeply impacted by coronavirus and losing jobs, which could be as much as £75,000 per apartment. People just don't have that money. Who does?
This was a demo outside the developer Barratt, who those here say should foot the bill.
End Our Cladding Scandal.
There were different demos outside other developers in other parts of the capital. After the Grenfell fire, where 72 lost their lives, combustible panels in other buildings had to be removed, along with a whole host of other fire safety measures. Thousands of leaseholders found themselves both trapped in dangerous buildings and with huge bills to make their flats safe. The government offered some support and grants, but thousands of leaseholders and their buildings aren't covered. So the focus at this specific demo was trying to get the company who built the homes to meet the costs.
You're just reminded every day that the place you're living in is unsafe and you're having to pay the cost for it.
Barratt Homes told us they were extremely sympathetic to the difficulties that homeowners and leaseholders are facing, but said that they do not now own or have any legal responsibility for the buildings, but were helping the freeholders and management companies carry out reviews of their buildings to find solutions. This fight, post-Grenfell, is very much intensifying and is only going to get louder and louder. Guy Lynn, BBC London.